Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be making a very quick tutorial on how to make the speed pad in Minecraft. This is only with 2 commands and I'm going to give you a demo right now. So I'm going to run it and I have particles around me as you can see and I got speed. Okay, now let's get right into it. First, you have yourself a command block. Now place it upwards like this and set it to always active and repeat. In the description of the video I included 2 commands. Place the first one here. In this command, if the block underneath a player is Minecraft light blue concrete powder, then run the command give yourself speed 5 for 2 seconds. After this, place another command block on top and make it always active and chain. In this command block, place the second command I wrote in the description. This will run at all players with speed 5 and it will summon fireworks at the location. So now, if we want to test this, I run on the speed pad and I have fireworks and I got speed. That should be it for this video. Thank you for watching and comment and subscribe if you want to see more content and comment what you want to see.